very well about me. This is Prem Singh Rawat, connecting from Uttarakhand, and
Okay.
my district is Pauri Garhwal. My development block is Naini Danda, and right now I'm connecting with you from my born and brought up place. You can say I'm from Blaze. I'm Blazer, and by profession I'm English teacher in this area. It is known Janta Inter College Androli. And about my qualification, I am B.Ed and postgraduate in English. Celebrated Durga Puja, and you belong to West Bengal, and Durga Puja is very famous there. So
Yes.
please tell me something about Durga Puja. How did you celebrate it? And yeah, little bit something about it.
Every year we celebrate Durga Puja with pomp and show, but nowadays I can say that this year Durga Puja it was really good, but just because of the weather, it was in my side it was raining heavily, so
Hmm.
that's why I couldn't go outside. I did only in in Ashtami. I did
Hmm.
I gave my Anjali bus. I observed
Okay.
the fast in Ashtami, and
Hmm.
yes, I did Anjali, and after that I didn't do anything just because I didn't get chance to go outside just because of the weather.
Okay.
Yes, and yeah, even you can you have seen on news channel that the condition of West Bengal, it was raining for continuously. It has been raining for last 1 month.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I came to know from the new channels in the most part of India. You can say in Delhi, Dehradun, most of the part of India at that time. When people were eager to see the effigies of the Ravana, Meghnad, Kumbhakaran. Okay, because these are the symbol of evils. So at that time, due to heavy rain, already Ravana, Meghnad are destroyed.
Yes. So in your side, you don't celebrate Durga Puja, you celebrate Navratri.
Yeah, we celebrate Navratri. Yes, why not? Yes, we celebrate also Durga Puja here. And it is a mountain area, but especially, women also participate in this type of, activities.
Okay. So
Yeah.
in when you were no in your when you were teenage at that time, did you celebrate did you participate in Garba or Dandiya?
No, no, actually, Garba and Dandiya is not, familiar in our state. I think
Okay.
it belongs to West Bengal and Gujarat and I think Maharashtra. But
Yes.
Dandiya and, Garba is not familiar in my locality. But due to social media, because we are living in science era, so little bit people are, attracted to learn the Dandiya and Garba. But
Okay. But Dandiya and Garba both are not a part of West Bengal, but we do Dhunuchi Nach.
okay, Duno
Dhun,
Chinas?
you don't know Dhunuchi Nach?
Dunuchi,
Okay.
no, no.
We do celebrate we do Dhunuchi Nach, Aarti like that. How can I make you understand Dhunuchi? If you search it on Google, you can see it. Dhunuchi Nach.
Okay, okay. But in my area, ladies and gents especially perform the songs in group, you know,
Okay.
yeah, in group. And it symbols to, unity. It refers to unity, live in unity.
Okay.
That's why, and we call it, in our local language, Thadiya, uh, Chachri, Jhoda, Chopla, like this. Do you know Thadiya, Jhoda, Chachri? Do you know?
I don't know all these things.
Okay, okay, yeah, 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 yeah. So these are the locals, you can say, our folk dance and songs.
Okay. So I have seen that no nowadays now you are talking to me. You are outside of the home.
Hmm. Yeah, this is my routine evening walk. Okay, so I am out of my hometown, my house, because kids are playing cricket there and they are teasing me. That's why I have chosen this place, and it is the primary school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you working there? or
No, no,
are
no,
you
no.
working? You were
No, no,
working
I'm not working here. I'm working in intermediate college, but it is the
at
government primary
college?
school.
Acha,
Yeah,
acha, acha.
yeah.
Okay, it's
So
a primary school.
yeah, it is a primary school. You can say, you can see the slogans here, and
Yes,
you do you know about this, goddess
Saraswati
of
Mata.
learning, goddess
Yes,
of knowledge.
yes, yes, Mata
Yeah,
Saraswati.
yeah, Saraswati. So it is the primary school
Okay, but
because
yes, so at what time, like, no, does sunset in your side?
sunset. In this time it is a little bit cloudy here, but every day sunset and sun rising view every time. We pray the sun rising and sun views, sunset. But now today
Okay.
is cloudy. After half an hour, it will sunset. After some time, it will sunset. Yeah,
Be at 6 p.m. or more after 6 p.m.
little bit. Yeah, not after 6 p.m. Before 6 p.m., 10 minutes before 6 p.m. or 5 minutes before. Every day, 2 3 minutes. Decreasing
Okay.
because it is
Yes, yes.
the
Nowadays, yes.
yeah.
Winter is around. Winter is around the corner.
Corner, yeah, 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 yeah. So, and what about in your location? Do you see the view of sun rising and sunset?
No, no, no. But in our side, like, no, there is one place, Darjeeling.
Darjeeling, yeah, I have heard the name Darjeeling. It is famous for, I think it is hilly
Kanchan-
station and tea garden also there, I think. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes. Kanchan. You can see the Kanchenjunga mountain
Okay, from Darjeeling.
from Darjeeling. Yes. So if you go to Darjeeling, so you can see the sunset and sunrise.
Okay. But in our location, every day in morning and evening, we see sunset and sun rising view.
Because it's a hilly area, so that's why.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
But in our side, like, no, it is quite dark
Uh,
in
yeah,
our
yeah, yeah,
side.
yeah.
Yeah.
But in our area, suppose old persons are sick and they are on the bed, so they can see the sun rising view and sunset view from their bed.
Oh my God. No, but in our side, it's not. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's why I'm asking you. Like, no, you are just talking to me, and in our side, it is quite dark.
yeah, 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 yeah. And you can see that this area, this school is surrounded with mountains, forests, and no houses here. Only you can say it is in the alone area, peaceful area,
Yes.
and you can see
Everywhere
there,
is green.
there is the road. You can see
Okay.
road is there.
Okay.
Yeah,
So where you are living, you get everything in your side?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
All kind of
Yes,
facilities?
yes, we get everything. Markets here, and you can say facilities are also here. Hospitals also here, and you can say water facility also here. And other thing is that electricity, everything is available here. But
Okay.
comparison city area, little bit we face some issues like as
Medical hospital.
health issues, and good education institutes are not here, job opportunities are not here. Okay, but if I talk myself, so this is my born and brought up place,
Place
and
you are very
I'm
comfortable
yeah,
with it.
I, I am mentally prepared. I am mentally prepared to face anything.
Okay.
Yeah,
And this is a
and
very peaceful
yeah, yeah.
place.
This is very peaceful place, and I am habitual to survive in this area. And if I will visit in city area, so 1 week, and you can say 1 month, I feel uncomfortable there due to pollution, crowd, traffic.
Yes.
You know, but in this
Yes,
area,
yes.
it is a peaceful
In
area. If
Delhi
you will,
also, yes. In
if you
Delhi, in city of West Bengal, they're like, na, pollution level is increasing day by day.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And you know, as per my experience, if we will support the nature, because every time we are connected with the nature, okay, if we will
Yes,
support the nature, definitely it is beneficial for us, our health. But if we
yes,
will against the nature, if we will think against the nature, it will be harmful for our, you know, it, you can say it is hard to survive in this area. It is as per my experience.
yes, yes, it's true. So
Yeah.
do you grow, like no, do you have a farm, or do you or do you buy vegetable from market?
Yeah, little bit, 50-50.
50-50.
Yeah.
Okay, so
because
what
because
kind
you
of
know,
vegetables do you grow in your farm?
yeah, in our area, you know, if I talk the you know, crops, okay. So we cultivate, you know, paddy, wheat, barley, mustard, chili, and if I talk the vegetable, you know, potato, tomato, peas, brinjal, and you can say garlic, onion, ginger, and
Okay,
you know, 40 to 50% we consume, you know, organic vegetable.
okay. And fruits,
Yeah.
apple.
Yeah, fruits, you know, apple garden is not here, but some part of Uttarakhand, you know, apple gardens. But in my locality, apple's garden is not here, but papaya, banana, mango, guava, this type of fruits are available here. And
Okay.
you can say this is a you know, a guava tree here. Yeah, it is a it is a live example.
Okay. So
Yeah.
do you know? Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. So I think it is enough for today.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so thank you very much giving me your precious, valuable time. And really, you are a good speaker and famous YouTuber. Keep it up, and you are pursuing a graduation. God bless you. May you success in your mission. And salute again to you for your practice.
Thank you so much, sir, for supporting me and encouraging me. Just because of you, and there are lots of people who always encourage me that no, ma'am, you can do it. Rimpy, you can do it. They
Hmm.
consider me as their like no sister, as their elder sister, younger sister. So I feel really proud when I get positive comment, positive feedback from them. So thank you
Yeah.
so much, sir. And one of them is you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And happy Deepavali in advance from my side
Yes, 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 yes. Happy
with your
Deepavali.
family.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day. Bye.